In this video, I'm going to be showing you about the Redmi 13 DPI settings tutorial. Now, first things first, what you want to do is just to activate the developer option or the developer mode on your phone if this is the first time locating that specific settings. Now, to change the DPI, you'll need to enable developer options and then navigate to the drawing or the smallest width settings. And this setting allows you to adjust the system's display scaling, affecting how text and app icons appear. Now, first things first is go to settings and then go to about phone and then followed by all specs. Tap on the MIUI version or similar 7 times to activate developer options. Now, once you've activated developer options, access developer options and then go back to settings and find developer options under additional settings. Adjust the DPI, find the drawing and the smallest width settings or similar option related to DPI. You can now then manually adjust the value or choose from preset options like system or custom. And then that's it. That's the Redmi 13 DPI settings tutorial.